If you want to blow up one of your designs to A3 on Canva, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you exactly how to access an A3 template as well as export it for a printable. So let's dive in. So from canva.com, we can go ahead up to the top right hand side and we're going to click on create a design. Now from here you have a couple options, but we want to type in A3. Now once you type in A3, you will get a bunch more options, and as you can see, it shows you not only the aspect ratio, but it also shows you the size, and it also tells you what it's actually used for. So as you can see, for example, the very second one says double-sided. So this, you'll be able to design this on 2 pages, and then when it's printed, you can have it as a double-sided design. But for example purposes, we're going to click on A3 document, and as you can see on the right hand side, it does have the actual dimensions when you put your cursor over that. So it's 29.7 by 42 centimeters. Now let's say you would like to use this in a different orientation, because currently it's in portrait. All you have to do is record those dimensions, go down to custom size and add it into the custom size, obviously flipping the dimensions around so that you would get your design in a different aspect ratio. Once you have gone ahead and opened up the A3 document of choice, you can now add elements from the left hand side. You can create a design, you can customize that design, you can upload images, you can upload videos, as well as other types of documents. And once you have completed your design, you can go up to share, click on download, and here you're going to go ahead and you're going to choose the file type PDF, and this is best for printing, and you will download your design. This will be able to be printed in A3. If this was helpful, you can go ahead, drop us a like, share it with a friend, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.